Coming up next, we have business and immigration law updates. World business transactions, rules, regulations, and legal matters change with the revolving world. In the immigration arena, one always has questions about H-1 visas. To keep us abreast with these movements, attorney Ramesh Khurana from the Khurana Law Firm will take the lead. The Khurana Law Firm is located in Rockville, Maryland. Along with attorney Khurana in dialogue is Dr. Rajesh Mehra. Together, these two professionals will focus on the different issues and statuses regarding H-1B visas.
Good morning. This is Dr. Rajesh Mehra, and I welcome you to the Capitol Forum. We have been enjoying the company of attorney Ramesh Khurana from the Khurana Law Firm. Attorney Khurana, welcome.
Thank you very much, Dr. Mehra.
And I promised you that I will not forget so this time I emphasize the Khurana Law Firm.
Thank you, Dr.
That was
Mehra.
good, right?
That's our legal name of the firm.
Okay, fantastic. So we've been talking about a series on immigration laws, and today I guess our topic is going to be H-1B visas. Now I understand this is a very broad category, but what kind of restrictions, if any, does this category fit?
Dr. Mehra, before we go to the restrictions, for the benefit of the audience, let me explain what is H-1B visa. Of course, this is meant for meritorious and qualified people. But I would like to qualify my statement further that this is not restricted only to a few professions.
Okay.
So it has a very generous interpretation. So it would include any occupation where the basic need to work is a minimum of a bachelor degree.
Minimum of a bachelor degree.
Minimum of a bachelor degree.
Okay.
So when we say minimum of a bachelor degree, so it could be a combination of education, work experience, and art training. So the good thing is, for the purpose of H-1B, for every block of 3 years work experience, they give you a benefit of 1 year education.
I see.
So let's say that person went to an engineering college for 3 years instead of 4 years. And 4th year he couldn't go, but he started working in the industry.
They'll give credit for that.
Yes, so he worked for 4 years. So since he has worked for more than 3 years, so for the block of 3 years, he gets the benefit of 1 year experience.
Got it.
But we have got to do some exercise here. So what we have to do is, there are some evaluating agencies. So we have to have these credits evaluated by some reputable evaluating agency. And they will do credit by credit evaluation, and then they will basically try to come to the conclusion whether this person possesses equivalent of US bachelor degree or not. So that's the minimum requirement. So having established education credentials, then Dr. Mehra, what you have to do is, you have to look to the nature of the job. Let us say this is the position of an accountant. So you have to go to the Department of Labor website and see that as a matter of industry trend,
does it fit the qualification?
yes, whether there is a primary bachelor degree requirement or not. We also link it to the job zone, so which basically means if most of the accounting firms or most of the businesses, they are hiring accountants with a minimum of bachelor degree, then we will say, okay, if that's the minimum requirement, then we will be able to justify our petition to the USCIS that this is a fit case. This is a fit case for H-1B.
Got it.
Yeah.
Now, are the numbers for H-1B unlimited, or, of course, like all this, there have a certain amount of numbers?
We attorneys wish if these were unlimited.
Right.
But unfortunately, these are not. As of now, there is a yearly quota of H-1B numbers. So there is a quota system.
Again, for the whole world.
Whole world. And the numbers are fixed at 65,000.
I see.
And out of 65,000, 6,800, these are reserved for Singapore and Chilean nationals. So,
Okay.
so 6,800 you reduce from 65,000. Those numbers are available for everybody in the world. Our experience shows about 40 to 50% of H-1B numbers are utilized by Indian nationals.
How much?
About 40 to 50% every year.
Wow, that's a statistic worth repeating. 40 to 50%.
40 to 50%.
Of the whole quota of the world is utilized by Indian nationals.
Yes.
This has been quite interesting, all these factors that you have mentioned to us. And we want to continue picking your brain, continue appreciating your taking time out from your busy practice and sharing with our audience. I hope that you keep your questions emailing to us and topics that you want us to discuss that are concerning you. We're happy to discuss those on our upcoming segments that will continue on this business and law segment. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Mehra. Thank you
you.
for inviting me here today.
Absolutely.
Thank you.